Hi, I'm Mike Sharadin from Mike's Cafe and Wine Bar. We're in Friday Harbor in the San Juan Islands and living the dream. The San Juan County has asked me to talk to you today about how the virus has affected who we are and what we're doing and how we came to be here. Um, our background is we're a restaurant. We've been in Friday Harbor now for 7 years, a little over. And we started as a kind of a winery tasting room with Northwest Totem Cellars, which was my winery that I'd started in the Woodinville area. And we came up here and started a tasting room with some appetizers, and it's grown into a 7 days a week, year-round restaurant. And we enjoy the community and enjoy the island, and really have had a wonderful experience. We're right now about 5 employees part-time as we go through this virus. In the summer, on a normal summer, we're over 30 employees, and during the winter, about 10 to 11 core part-time employees. So we're basically sitting here on a rainy day, and it kind of feels like that over the last 5 weeks, a little Groundhog Day feeling. And I think we all have that, what day is it and when will it end? I look back on where I grew up, and I heard stories of people in World War II and rationing gasoline and fighting in the Pacific or in the Atlantic theater, the European theater. And this is our war. This is what we're going to have to do. It's going to be short. It's going to be a nice experience, I think, relative to what World War II is all about. And all we have to really do is stay healthy, stay safe. And it's incredibly convenient. It's expensive because it's affecting how we earn a living, how society, how our neighbors are. But I think we have to do what we know we need to do, and that's social distance, masks, thinking about washing our hands every 8 minutes. In the restaurant business, we have a fairly strong set of protocols already to keep your food safe. Those haven't changed here. We are takeout only, as every restaurant is in Washington, and it gives us a sense of direct delivery. I basically see every customer that comes into the door now. But it also gives us time to reflect. Winston Churchill said, "Never waste a good crisis." And on reflection, that sounds a little crazy, but I think the essence is you get to rethink who you are and where you're going every day. Whether it's who you are as a family, because you're locked together and you can't do things that you would normally do. But I think it also allows you as a person to reestablish your goals. I live in what I believe to be the paradise of the planet. I can't think of a better spot to handle this emergency than San Juan Island. It's incredibly safe. We have huge spaces to go enjoy nature. The community is a personal community. You know everybody that you pass on the sidewalk, maybe not their names, but their faces. And I'm actually glad that this is where I'm doing this. One of the things is worry. The people I meet obviously are overwhelmed by some of the issues they feel they can't control. So I think you focus on what you can control. You focus on where you are in the world. And right now for us as a restaurant, that's basically getting to July 1st and still being operational. What's going to happen in the summer? Nobody knows. But I know that I want to be there on July 1st, ready to go if we even have a 2/3 summer. And I think that's possible. I hope that everybody has a plan and can feel what they're trying to accomplish. And for me personally, it's making my employees still available to work and having money for them. And for all of you, I hope the same thing is true. As a wise philosopher said, you can't always get what you want, but if you try, sometimes you'll find you get what you need. That's my 5-minute timer, because I promised it'd be 5 minutes. Have a great day out there.